Alright, time for a little Q&A. Who are we playing today, James?
Smythe. St. John Smythe.
And what do we do for work?
We run our own company. Same-day courier service called Go Get It. Launched it a year after turning our back on the music business.
Why would we do such a thing?
Too many arseholes and egos.
Lovely. And Vietnam?
Once a year, we hop on a plane and venture somewhere to recharge our creative juices. This year, when the dice rolled, Vietnam came up.
Okay. I'd buy it.
That's because I'm selling it so well. There's the pier. And the welcoming committee.
Time to get in character.
Welcome to the Pearl, Mr. St. John Smith.
That's St. John Smythe, my dear.
Of course. The staff and I are very pleased to have you with us. This way, sir.
You smarmy git.
Well, you told me to get into character.
Well, you are a natural, James.
That's Mr. Smythe to you, my dear. I'm just getting started. Decent.
Your villa is this way. We pride ourselves on exclusivity and discretion here at the Pearl. I'll need you to sign a ledger at reception to confirm your arrival here.
I need eyes on that ledger.
Of course.
One more thing. There's a package waiting for you inside your villa. It arrived this morning. Enjoy your time at the Pearl, Mr. Smythe.
I most certainly will.
You are a little too good at that.
What?
Being a bit of a bellend.
What can I say? Just seems to come naturally. I think I'm going to enjoy this place. What is it?
Just open it. Q-Track, a smart bug, designed to protect assets in the field.
That's new.
Once inside the bloodstream, it tracks location, heart rate, and vital signs for up to 24 hours, before it's then broken down by the body.
And the glasses?
Q-glasses. They see everything, recording it back here at MI6.
So you see what I see.
Yep. I get to live vicariously through you for the next 24 hours.
But why?
Once you get eyes on the potential targets, I can confirm it's them through the glasses.
Wonderful.
Pop them on. We're live.
Good stuff. Yes, I am this handsome.
Hang on. Yeah. That ego of yours is fogging up the lens.
Touché.
Right. Enough tech talk. I need to calibrate the glasses. Compliments of the Tranquility Cave. All organic, gluten and cruelty-free. That's some next-level spa stuff.
Great. At least I'll smell good when Damien shows up.
So that's what a 1,000-pound bottle of bourbon looks like.
And here was me hoping for a bag of peanuts.
Shush buds. Always wanted a pair of those.
Well, if you're lucky, I'll bring you back a pair.
Okay, glasses calibrated. Time to get eyes on that ledger, so we can find out who it is Webb is here to kill.
Moneypenny? Eyes on Damien yet?
Traced him to an airport in Farnborough. Boarded a private plane to Singapore with 5 other men that I haven't been able to identify yet.
If you'd like to follow me, Mr. Smythe, reception is this way.
So, what do people do for fun at the Pearl?
Depends. Some guests prefer to simply just be during their time here. We also offer a traditional healing ceremony which is very popular with our guests. It completely realigns the body's spiritual energy.
Sounds intense. I won't cry, will I?
Many do.
I think I'd rather repress.
Here we are. Reception is right over there. My colleague will help you get signed in.
I doubt you'll have too much trouble getting back in the Emperor Villa.
Tell me you're not checking out.
I'm being upgraded, actually.
Of course you are. You must be important.
Very.
The Emperor Villa will be ready shortly. Please make yourself comfortable while you wait.
Oh, I'll do that, thank you.
I didn't catch your name.
I didn't give it.
Attractive mystery woman 1, St. John Smythe. Nil. Eyes on the ledger, James.
Right, yeah. Ledger. On it. Afternoon. Here to sign the ledger. Make my stay official.
Mr. Smythe, we've been expecting you.
Give it a flick through so I can get a look at names.
Sign here, please.
Got what I need. Running a check.
All done. Enjoy your stay with us, sir.
No, you don't have to tell me twice.
Okay, got 3 profiles that fit Caliban's MO. Ramon Hernandez, billionaire philanthropist, geneticist Teresa Lorca, who you just met, and Ellis White, bit of a rock star scientist.
Let's go find our 3 potentials.
What are we supposed to tell them?
That's rude, you know? Unintentional. Just coming through.
Just had Q in my ear. Don't use the dart or laser on anyone we need to bug. They can interfere with the Q-Track's functionality.
Q doesn't want me to have any fun.
Oh, that reminds me. Need to get to the Hung Villa before the day is out. It's overgrown. I couldn't get to it before Mr. Hernandez arrived here.
Lamina, say hello for me.
Of course. See you later.
Bingo! Ramon's in the Hung Villa.
You know, I do have eyes and ears too.
Anywho, Ramon's villa's on the same side of the resort as yours.
How may I help you, sir?
I'm looking for a guest. Ellis White. Know where I might find him?
Yes, of course. He and his group of very enthusiastic friends were gathered over by the Velvet Lantern Bar last time I saw them.
Apologies. I need to shoot off. Moneypenny, what have you got for me, old boy?
Crux Magazine's 2025.
Something I can do for you.
Good afternoon. I'm here to see Mr. Hernandez.
He's busy.
And it's important,
So is his yoga appointment.
which is exactly why I'm here.
Where's the one from yesterday?
He quit. He got bent out of shape over something.
He took Mr. Hernandez's blue yoga mat after their session. He won't do yoga without it.
I'll go and fetch it and be right back. The sooner we can get Mr. Hernandez feeling sensational, the better. Need to get my hands on that mat. I'll find another way in.
James, the yoga center is inside the Tranquility Cave.
Got it. On my way.
Yes, you should enjoy it while it lasts.
We've still got 3 days.
Oh, I mean the bigger picture, climate projections.
Oh, not now, Lars.
That's the thing though, it's got to be now. Maybe too late.
I know. Sometimes I just need to forget that.
Afternoon, bro.
Oh, you know what I said? I can try that yoga class.
might want to take a look at that stress aura around you.
Thanks, you look great too.
Do you know what happened to Hernandez's yoga? Yes, that one. The garish bright blue one. He's insisting I bring it, but Kung took the session yesterday at the home villa, and I can't seem to get hold of him. Story true? Thanks. The party? Yes, I'm working. I'll see you there.
I don't think you'll be needing that.
What are you up to?
Improvising yet another role.
James, you there? Have some info on Hernandez.
I'm all ears.
From what I can see, there's been multiple attempts on his life. He's not one to back down, and clearly he doesn't give a damn who he pisses off.
I like him already.
Mr. Smythe. Mr. Smythe, we do hope you're enjoying this day with us.
Yoga candy dead ahead. No need to ask me twice to do a downward dog.
Leave the man candy alone, Babs. This is not a kind of place. It's whatever I need.
Good afternoon. You here for Mr. Hernandez's yoga?
Go for it.
Nice work.
Hey, balls it. Job done.
How about a discount? I'll show you how to shoot a gun.
Yeah, guns don't really align with my spiritual values.
No, that's what it is. The man is a little...
Yes, I'm still here. Sure thing. I'll hold a little longer.
Time to talk to Ramon. Ramon Hernandez!
Please!
Don't you move.
Who the hell are you?
That's him, James.
Oh, relax. I'm not here to cause trouble.
Keep your hands where we can
Not
see
so sure this was a good idea.
You better have a good reason to be here.
I'm with MI6. We believe your life is in danger.
Wrong. It's your life that's in danger.
Help me out, Moneypenny.
Whoever you're talking to,
Agua
say your
Verde.
goodbyes.
Tell him we know about Agua Verde.
Agua Verde. We know about your connection to Agua Verde.
Stand down. You have 30 seconds.
The terrorist Caliban. We think you're his next target.
I'm always somebody's next target. A simple phone call would have sufficed, Mr.
Call me James. And it wouldn't have because I wouldn't have been able to give you this. Swallow it. Allows us to track you and your vitals for 24 hours.
And after 24 hours?
You piss it out, I stop the bad guys, and we all go home.
Give it here. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need a cigarette to calm my nerves. Mi casa es su casa, James. Vaya con Dios, James. Will we see you at the festivities tonight?
Wouldn't miss it for the world. By the way, I believe this yoga mat is yours.
Gracias, James. It's unbelievable. Pink sky, golden ocean. I mean, this place is something else. I thought I can get paid to see it by sunset. You forgot your gear.
Yoga life's not working out. Too much of a stretch.
That's Ramon tracked.
2 to go.
Damien's boarded a commercial flight to Halong Bay. Tickets were booked under aliases. It's a 4-hour journey.
I better find and bug the rest of our targets.
so hot here. Really murder here.
You know what else?
Easy now.
The water's like glass and the air actually smells clean. I'm telling you, even the towels feel like they're worth more money than my cars. It's easy to forget about bills, emails, and the rat race back in London here. Just sun, sea, and someone topping up your drink before you even notice it's low.
Oh, I love this. One of them came over when you were in the bathroom, invited me to come to a party at the Ocean View Bar with his famous friend, Ellis White. Looked him up. Apparently he's a big deal in the eco-science world.
I hope you told him to get lost.
White is at the Ocean View Bar. Marked it for you on your Q lens.
Thanks.
Can't come this way, bro. My mate's throwing a bit of a jaw. If you don't have an invite, can't let you in.
Of course. I probably left it in my suite. I'll go and fetch it.
That was interesting. Who makes flyers as invites for a private party?
Alice White, apparently. And one with a distinct lack of drinks.
Speaking of which, I'll go see if I can order some.
That's odd. No harm in having a quick look at it.
Listen to me and listen carefully. You're my assistant.
Here we are.
I don't care if I promise you a day off. I don't care that you're halfway down the Ho Chi Minh Trail on some quest to find. This is your job. Assist.
That's our target, Alice White.
A man likes a drink. Q-Track still works if he swallows it, right?
You read my mind.
Unbelievable. I pay this guy. What do I pay him? Anyway, it doesn't matter. I pay him a lot.
I don't think so.
Whoa.
Nobody just walks up to our
general
guy.
admission, VIP only.
You lost, man. Private party.
St. John Smythe. Big fan. It sounds like you got yourself a drink problem.
I manage. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, the bar. Apparently, my friends and I have been bothering some of the other guests, so they shut us down.
Oh, maybe I can help.
Maybe you can. I misplaced the keys to the minibar, and I'm getting thirsty. Would you mind taking a walk with my pal Jonty here to go fetch a new set? He'll show you where. Do that, I'm all yours. What do you say?
Happy to.
My man. Jonty, you're up.
Can't believe I'm doing this. Babysitting the fanboy. Why am I stuck walking you and those tiny shorts to the bar to get a set of keys I told them couldn't be got?
Just point me and my shorts in the right direction. I'll do the rest.
Easy for you to say, Bruno. I tried getting them earlier. Staff caught me. Made a total scene. They wanted to throw me out only for Ella stepping in. Now, if I so much as breathe near that storage room, they'd toss me out on my ass. So, anyway, go you. The key's in the storage room behind the bar. Go get that bar key, buddy. I'll be right here waiting for you.
Love his show. Watch it religiously. Lonnie shouted everyone.
Remember the time you called that sushi and don't Can't wait to see what sort of treats he comes up with for the menu.
Imagine, we'll be eating what people normally have to
I'll
spend
take
months
all the
on.
wine, please.
And all we have to do.
You know you're going to have to get rid of the barman first.
I know. Time to order off menu.
Worth every penny.
What can I get for you, sir?
Bottle of Blanc de Blanc Brut 83 when you're ready.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir, but we don't carry that one here at the Pearl, to my knowledge. Perhaps I can interest you in something else?
You don't carry it. Well, if you don't produce that bottle, I can make one phone call and you'll be looking for a new job tomorrow. Now off you pop.
Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
There he is. Snide Smythe.
Every nonsense
here. It's the same thing. The American and his gang of friends drunk, making so much noise. I've had so many guests ask me to do something about it, but I can't. Management tolerates it because he spent so much money to be here. Man to set the place on fire, they still call it atmosphere. His money is louder than we are. At least they shut the bar down. It was getting out of hand. Won't do much good. They'll be back at it again later tonight. Okay, hang on. Probably nothing, but best not to assume anything. Ah! My eyes! Oh! What could...
Hello.
Got them. Nice. Let's head back to the guys. Pretty smooth work getting those keys. I'm not gonna lie, I really thought you'd go.
Ye of little faith, Jonty. Wasn't that hard to get them?
Yeah. Anyway, I was wrong. Respect. You might just fit right in with us.
Thanks. I think.
Yo, party people! The key masters have returned.
My guys! All right, let's get our drink on. Ladies, bar's open.
All right, folks. The bar is open. What'll it be?
Something that kicks hard like a mule. I'm sobering up here.
How about a rum Collins?
I'll pass, not a rum fan. What else you got for me?
I do make a mean tequila slammer.
Read my mind.
Now that's more like
One slammer for Mr. Magnetic coming up.
Catchy, right? Crux coined that one. I'm actually trying to copyright it at the moment. Wasn't too keen on it at first, but my new lady friend over there, she digs it, if you know what I mean.
Oh, I bet she does.
Between you and I, it's like shooting fish in a barrel here. It's like bang, bang, bang. Then back to my villa for X-rated wrestling. You get what I'm saying, bro, right? I don't need to spell it out for you.
No, I think I get the picture.
I want to punch him so hard right now.
Me too.
Me too what?
From me to you. One tequila slammer.
To my new friend, Smythe. It is true what they say. Not all heroes wear capes.
That's an observation. Those shorts are very kind to you. Key track is live. You can get out of there now.
I'm going to shoot. Remember, drink responsibly.
No chance.
That's eyes on White's location. The bar, of course. And his vitals.
All right. Now let's take a wander and see if we can find Walker.
Anyway, apparently she's a marine biologist and an assistant professor at the University of Lisbon. Oh, what are they talking about? With one of the staff showing her to the Serenity space.
Serenity Space. Sounds like a fancy name for the bathroom.
Let's hope not. Anyway, it's in the center of the resort.
Don't we all?
I ventured into that Serenity space yesterday.
I'm sorry, Mr. Smythe, but the Serenity space is full at the moment. I can have someone fetch you as soon as the spot becomes available.
I'll come back later.
Of course. Apologies again.
That's her, Teresa Lorca. What's your plan?
Get close and apply it on her skin.
What?
For Christ's sake. I suppose quiet is too much to ask for these days.
Not at all, I hope. Just a quick check for Mr. Fran. There.
The space just opened, sir. You can come on in.
Good timing, eh? Thanks.
Thanks. You again?
Genomic analysis of bacteria and its role in algae biosynthesis.
Yeah, I'm in genetics. It's boring science stuff, Mr.
Oh, names now. John.
Teresa.
I like boring science stuff. Try me.
Okay then. You asked for it. Well, algae are inherently more efficient at carbon removal than terrestrial plants. Their entire surface is dedicated to the act of photosynthesis.
They absorb as much carbon as all the plants and trees on land combined.
Someone was paying attention in biology class.
Only to the parts that matter most.
So, there's this particular strain of algae called Chlorella vulgaris that absorbs more CO2 than any other plant on the planet. That's why I'm here at the convention, to secure funding for this super strain I'm developing, which will be our most potent weapon against climate change. Potentially.
That's simple, huh?
That's simple.
How about another?
The Emperor Villa is ready for you, Mom.
They've got a habit of doing that, haven't they? Perhaps another time?
Oh, would you do it?
I should hope so. See you around, John.
All right, Romeo, snap out of it.
I do like a woman who experiments.
Jesus, James. Really?
Because she's a scientist.
All Q-Treks are alive. Lorca, Hernandez, and White all present and accounted for.
Hey, Moneypenny. Where are Damien and his men now?
On the ground at Halong Bay. I'm tracking 2 SUVs that met his group at the airport. They're about a 3.5-hour drive out from you. That means you have 3.5 hours to prepare.
Perfect. Well, I've got some time to kill.